Hello, this is Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. Fluorescent light tubes and fluorescent light bulbs have been discontinued from selling on the wholesale and the domestic market since September 2023. With a call out for a customer who had a bathroom light fitting with a fluorescent tube in it. The quick and simple solution was to swap out the light fitting to a low energy efficient light fitting and being IP rated and bathroom safe for that particular installation. Here it shows you what was occurring, what we carried out and the finished result. Okay, this is a bathroom light fitting which has failed. Take it off. There we go, that's easy. It's an old fluorescent light tube. They've stopped making these and you can't get replacements. Or if you're lucky, you might get a replacement, but not for much longer. Traditional light fitting with the traditional style of wiring, which is loop in, loop out. So what we're going to do first, identify the conductors, and we're also going to double check with a gadget. Less talking should do, so we can now take the light fitting off the ceiling and I'll replace it, okay? These things are the traditional chop boxes. I'm doing those. That wire is the switch wire coming from the light switch, whether it's a pull cord outside the bathroom door. Don't need that, that was a chop block. This thing could fall down, but if you've got the wires bent round, that's even better because it'll only latch onto that. There's another connector. And it's screwed in with two. Hold the screw and it comes out. Just do it slowly though. There's the old light fitting. And the control gear is that big box, which is more than likely the thing that's failed, and the lamps you cannot get hold of nowadays. Put these LED light fittings in. They're made by Knightsbridge, and you can change the colour temperature as in the colour of the lamp in the property. Won't be needing the box, but we can use that for the old one. Comes in a nice plastic bag, protects it a bit, and it's loose, which is good. Pop that out, unscrew the lid. Whatever you do, don't lose those screws. Comes with an assortment of screws, and the screws are normally pretty damn useless. Class 2 fitting, so there's no earthing in it, just live and neutral. But we're going to hide all the wires which are up on the ceiling into this box and connect them up with connection. Double check how much cable I've got. Get one of the screws. Get the other screw. And poke the cables in through that hole. It would never go through that plastic gasket. Brilliant. All nice and firm. Got a load of selection of fittings and screws which I brought just in case, but it's all secured to the ceiling nicely. So what are we going to do? We are going to move all and tweak all these cables around. So these brown cables, if you can see it, Mr. Director, they are the live cables. They're either going from the other lights in the property, or they are moving on to another light in the ceiling, another in the flat. And we're just connecting those all in there. Make sure they're all firm. And the final one is likely to be the power over to the switch. I'm going to straighten it out. So that's the first part of it wired in. And we got 3 blue wires, but one has got a blue sleeve on it. Turn live switch wire coming from the switch. We're going to ignore this lot at the moment. So we've got 2 blue wires there. And what we're going to do is we put them in a 3-way go, okay? Because we need another wire there, which is the one that goes to the light itself. That's a neutral, the minus side. Put the next one in, click, it's in, put it firm, put the other one in, pull it, it's all firm. Okay, we're going to make this a little bit safer. We've got the earth wires, which are these ones. Okay, we don't need to wire it to the fitting because it is a class 2 safe electric bathroom fitting. Pull the wires on that. And the earth wires, or otherwise known as CPC, I'll put in their other chop box. Right, we've got a live, as you can see on that, neutral, as you can see on that. Right, what we're going to do, the live wire is indicated with this brown sleeving. So we're going to slide it in the end. These little connectors, right, these little connectors in the light fittings are often supplied like that. So that's the live wire with the sleeving around it. You push it in and then you hit that little tag. See, that little tag there, and it's got some little grippers on it. We've done the live wire, which is the blue, which is sleeved with live. And now we're going to put the neutral one in. Okay, it goes in, but it won't go that far. So you push that little one under, or the lever, and it should go in. It isn't, so we're going to straighten the wire up, push it in. I'm going to push it into that one, and it's in. Let that thing come out, all firm, all done. Now all we need to do is do a little bit of magic in a few minutes. So push those cables up at the side. Push those cables around a bit. Push that there. Find the hole for the little screw. I'm gonna have to stick my head at the side in a minute. That's it. And that is all in. I need another. Gonna get another screwdriver, crosshead one, just to do the final fixings. Nice and fat into the fitting, and we're all done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go outside the bathroom to the consumer unit. Right, okay, this is the lighting circuit we switched off. Lights there, and it's on a 6 amp. We flick it back up and the lights should be back on. Right, the bathroom is fully lit. So the light fitting's on, but we can actually alter the colour rendering using some dip switches on here, okay? However, customer says, yes please, I like this brightness. So we're going to put the lid back on. Swivel it backwards until it clicks. Swivel it forwards. All in position. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.